To manage your school management system portal, simply visit the main website of the school here. Then you click on SMS portal. Clicking on this will take you to the login page of the school management system. And here you can log in with the combination of your email and the password that was used in creating the account. So once you have successfully logged in, you will find yourself on the dashboard, as we can see here. Okay. And here you are able to manage all the everything that the SMS offers. So in this, in continuation of the video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to utilize the academic module of the SMS. Okay, once you click here, you are going to see daily attendance, class routine, which is the timetable or the schedule for the class. The subjects, syllabus, class, classroom, department, and event calendar. So the video is going to cover how to create classroom. Classes were already created, departments were created. We can add to these classes, we can add to the departments. Subjects, we are going to see how to work on subjects as well. Actually, everything in this module of academic, I'm going to show you how to use them. Okay, so for the classrooms, because when we are creating the attendance and the class timetables, we need the input from the classroom. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is I click on classroom. So here we need to add a classroom. So I'll simply use, since we have grade, grades 000, so I can name it as A. These names can be changed to proper names by the school. So that classroom has been created. The idea is there is need to have a class name that is attached to each of the classes. So that is how to create a class name. I will add another class name for a demo class that I'm going to add for the purpose of showing you how to do class attendance, timetable, subjects, and everything that matters on the academic side of the module. Okay, so that class that I'm going to create is going to be grade 8. So let's call it grade 8A. That's the name of the classroom. Okay, so I have this. It's going to be removed later on, but for now, for this video, I've created it. So then I can create that class. Okay, these were the existing classes. So I'm going to create a new class, which is going to be grade 8. Okay, and I don't want you to misconcept classes from classrooms. Okay, so the difference is that those classes are the grades, grade 0, grade 00, grade 1, grade 2, 3, and all that. And you know you can have grades with as many number of arms as it requires, depending on the number of students. Okay, but this one is grade 8. I have created it. Okay, so we see if I want all the classes to be listed in one page, I can switch my show number of entries that are displayed. So this is it. Once you create a class, the ham is automatically A. But if we need to create more sections, we can come here and create more sections like B. I'm adding a section to this and I've updated it. Number of to be displayed 25. Okay, so we can see now we have grade 8, A and B. So you can add as many sections as you required. Okay. So now that we have created that class, grade 8, and we have created the classrooms for all the classes, it's time to add the subject to the newly created class, which is grade 8. So I will come here and select that class which was created. Okay, then I can add or create the subject. We need to select here as well. Then for this video, I will only create about 3 subjects. So let's start by adding English. It's created. If I click on filter now, it's already auto showing here. Here we can edit, we can delete. In case you would like to put English as English language, you can edit it and do it here. Otherwise, I want to add more subjects to the class. Let's say Swati. Let's add another one. Let's say this is agriculture. Probably mathematics. Oh, sorry, no class was selected. Okay, so yes, we can work with these 5 or 4. Okay, let's add 1 to make it 5. Let's say expressive arts. Expressive arts. Okay. So these 5 subjects should be enough for the demonstration. Okay, so now that we have the class, we have the subjects. Remember, we don't have students here in grade 8 as of now. Okay, so I'm going to add grade 8. I'm going to add student to this grade. Okay. So to add student to this grade, I am going to come here. So now let's add a student to grade 8. For that, we need to come back to our users module. We go to students, and okay, we simply utilize this button, add new student. We click on this button. It brings us to this interface where we can either use the single student admission, box student admission, or Excel file upload. This is actually covered in a separate video, but we are still going to add the student in this particular video. So we click on this. This time around, we want to upload using an Excel. I already have a pre-made sample student for this particular video. So I want to add them to class grade 8. Okay, grade 8 has only, okay, has 2 uh, sections actually, but we are only going to use one. So then I need to click this to select the file. I call it grade 8 demo. So now I have selected the file is in .csv extension, which is a comma separated value. So I want to add the student. Once this is done successfully, student added successfully. So now we will have students in grade 8. Let's go and check. Let's check it out. You see, grade 00 has 16. These are all the number of students in each of these classes. Okay. Previously, it was 8 was 0, now it's 10. Because in my Excel file, I put 10 students in it. So our grade 8 now has 10 students. So this grade 8 can be used as a demo to show you how to work on the academics, putting the class attendance and class timetable, assigning subject and teachers to each of these classes. Okay, that will be covered in a separate video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.